In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove category and description from your invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you want your invoices to show a little more detail or you'd prefer a cleaner, simpler layout, QuickBooks Online gives you the option to control whether the category and description fields appear on your invoice template. This is a useful customization because it changes how information is displayed to your customers, while still letting you keep your internal records organized. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon to open your settings menu. From there, under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles. This area is where QuickBooks stores the templates used for invoices, estimates, and other sales forms. Once you're on the Custom Form Styles page, locate the invoice template you're currently using. If you have more than one template, make sure you choose the correct one so you're editing the form that actually applies to your invoices. In the Action column, click the drop-down menu, then choose Edit. This will open the template editor. At the top of the page, click on the Content tab. The Content section is where you can control what appears on different parts of your invoice, including headers, payment details, and the line item table. Next, click the middle section of the invoice preview. This is the part of the form that displays the products or services being billed. When you select that middle table area, a settings panel will appear on the side of the screen. In that side panel, look for the Columns section. This is where you can choose which columns show on the invoice. Find the options for category and description, then check or uncheck those boxes depending on what you want to display. If you want those fields visible on the invoice, leave them checked. If you want to hide them from the customer-facing form, uncheck them. As you make your selection, the invoice preview updates automatically. This is helpful because you can immediately see how your template will look before saving anything. Take a moment to review the layout and make sure it matches your preference. When you're happy with the changes, click Done in the lower right corner to save your updated template. That's it, you've successfully customized your QuickBooks Online invoice template to add or remove the category and description fields. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make your invoices look more polished and better suited to the level of detail you want to share.